It's another day with you. My name is Isaac Raouf. I am the Relationship Life Doctor, the CEO of Bracket Global Solutions Limited. We're still talking about business growth, and today I want to share something quickly with you. And I target the business growth stage or growth stages in business, anyhow you want to put the grammar. And I want to make it clear to you that there are 3 stages in business growth, and that's what we're going to look at in this video. Let's take a short break. I'll be right back. Alright, welcome back and thank you for staying in tune. One of the first stage in business growth is what we call the survivor stage. What do you do at the survivor stage? Now, when you're to start a business, this is the stage where you meet your prospective clients, or you meet your family and friends and tell them what you do. More or less like you telling people, this is what I do, this is what I'm about to do. And this is also the time where you get your store, if you want to have a physical store, or you are putting things and resources in place to start this particular journey. And guess what? Many business owners stay at this stage for a very long time. Or because they lack vision, or because they lack clarity. They don't even know what to do. But if you know that this is your survivor stage, then you get to know what to do. Meeting prospective clients, people who actually need your service, you do that at the survivor stage. And why you are doing this is for you to have a stability. And that leads us to the second stage, which is the stability stage. What do you do on this stability stage? At this point in time, you already have your customers. They're already patronizing you, and they're already coming. At this stage, you can even predict your income. You know how much is coming in. You know how much is going out. It's something is very important that you need to do. And you putting systems and structures in place. Oh, you know how much comes in. You're going to set a system. You're going to set a structure with how much you know that comes in every month. How you want to spend. This is what you do at that stability stage, so that you will not be spending more than what is coming in. You having your returning clients, you having your income predictable, then you must have a brand identity. If at this point you don't have a color for your business, you should have. If at this point you don't have a logo, you should have. If at this point you don't have a slogan, you should have. You do that at this stability stage. And this will now lead us to the third stage, which is the scalability stage. At this stage, you are more or less like stable, like we said earlier. You know how much comes in, you know the customer who is coming. As a result of that, then you can partner with people who are doing the same thing with you, who can help you increase your income. You can as well expand. That's what you do in the scalability stage. You can expand, you can appoint delegates, you can employ more hands to help you so you can meet customer needs and give them full satisfaction. So as a young entrepreneur, you are how they are going. If you understand these 3 stages of business growth, that is the survival, the stability, and the scale, then you'll be able to adopt, you'll be able to apply the right strategies and the right principles at every point or at every stage of your business growth. I hope you get clarity. I hope you get the message. Alright, till I come your way some other time. Do have a wonderful weekend.